In this video we are going to see how to create dynamic block which can flip this way and this way, and it aligns automatically according to wall like this. Let's see in this video how to create this. First of all, we have to make this one block. B command, block command. Use B command for block. Make door, pick point, specify object, allow exploding, and open a block editor. Okay. Base point. This one our base point, and alignment. We will make line first, line from here to here line, and then use alignment. Alignment will be here, and delete line. This is our first parameter, and next one is flip parameter. Control Z. This is okay here, no problem. Remove line and use flip parameter. Use flip parameter. This one flip like this, and we have to action, flip, select parameter, select all, select parameter, select all. Okay. After that we have to use again flip parameter from here to here. Okay. Again go to action, flip, select parameter, and select object, right click, BS for block saving and BC for block close. Now this flipping is working, and this side also working. This one also working. Also working. So this is the way we can create a dynamic block in AutoCAD.